Gujarat votes in the second phase tomorrow. Gujarat, one of the most urbanized states in India, but interestingly also has one of the highest tribal populations, one the BJP is trying hard to wrest.
From Baroda city to the district's eastern tribal areas, the landscape changes, so does the demographics. Mostly tribal, the Bhils dominate this region. In Chota Udaipur constituency, all three major candidates are the Rathwa Bhils, among tribals, a community more politically involved. Arjun Rathwa of the JDU is the latest challenger in the BJP Congress turf. A professor and social activist, he sets the scene for a political battle on local issues.
सब आदिवासी एरिया में अभी आजकल का जो मुद्दा है वो राइट्स का मुद्दा है, वो ज़मीन का राइट्स, एजुकेशन का राइट्स, हेल्थ का राइट्स. दूसरा इशू है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट.
Campaigning has been brought to the traditional village heart here in Chota Udaipur.
Parties jostle for space, adding to the colour and frenzy of the last weekly heart before voting day.
It's said that Narendra Modi, hoping to offset his expected losses in Saurashtra, has made a concerted bid to regain some hold in the tribal belt of Gujarat.
But it will be a tough battle in all 8 constituencies in this region. In 2002, witness to large-scale riot violence, the tribal vote had polarized in favor of the BJP. In 2007, that had already started to change. In fact, the issue of the riots is now backfiring on the BJP.
लेकिन इसके खंधे पे बंदूक रख के फोड़ा गया और उसी समय पे ज़्यादातर हिंदू वाली जो बात थी, तो एक हिंदू का मामला था. इसमें आदिवासी मेन फोकस पे आ गए. तो उस समय पे ज़्यादातर आदिवासी जेल में गए. कोई जो फैमिली है पूरा उनका जो घर में कमांडर जो व्यक्ति था वो जेल में चला गया.
The reason the BJP candidate Gul Singh Bhai Rathwa has carefully stayed away from identity politics.
जैसे ये हमारा आदिवासी जोन लगता है, यहाँ पे पहले कुछ डेवलपमेंट कांग्रेस का था नहीं, लेकिन भाजपा आने के साथ नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार की सरकार आने के बाद आदिवासी का बहुत सारा विकास हुआ है.
The BJP repeatedly highlights Narendra Modi's announcement to make Chota Udaipur a separate district to facilitate development, and its manifesto promise of special irrigation projects for tribal areas, essential in a region where people have to rely on migrational labor to survive. Taking this on, a popular Congress leader in this region, Mohan Singh Rathwa, delimitation has brought him to Chota Udaipur from Pavi Jetpur, a constituency he has won several times.
165 करोड़ का खर्चा बना के 582 करोड़ रुपया का बोरी बंद यहाँ ट्राइबल विस्तार में बना दिया. वो एक बोरी बंद में एक लोटी पानी मिलता नहीं है.
Back in Baroda city, at the early morning Labour Mandi, a more stark view of tribal reality. Leaving their homes and local issues, these villagers from neighbouring tribal areas migrate to the heart of the city in search of their daily wages. Paradoxically, they will vote as they do every elections in high numbers, but are sceptical any real change will come their way irrespective of who wins. In Chota Udaipur, Gujarat, with Xavier Thomas, Radhika Bordia for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.